Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Friends, I am Nando and welcome back to my Annapurni Food Express. Friends, today I brought for you a special recipe with brinjals. It is a very tasty recipe and I made this recipe without onion and garlic. You can make this recipe at your home very easily with less time and less ingredients. If you like this video, please share this video to your family and your friends. Also, those who are not subscribed yet, please subscribe my channel because I upload here every day new recipe without onion and garlic. First, I brought here small sizes brinjals. Now I will cut it from the middle portion from all the four sides. You can see I cut it from the middle portion from all four sides. After cut it very nicely, now I will check there is any problem or any insect into the brinjals. You can see it is clear, there is no insect into it. After that I will check another side. You can see it is clear. Then I will check another side also. You can see this side also clear, there is no insects. Now I will cut all the brinjals and check like this. After cut it very nicely, now I will take a big bowl and give all the brinjals into it. Then I will give some salt into it and give some sugar into it, because all brinjals item if you give sugar it will be very tasty. Then I will give some turmeric powder and Kashmiri mirchi powder into it. Then I will mix all the brinjals with this salt and turmeric powder very nicely with my hand. You can see how to mix all the ingredients with the brinjals very nicely. After that I will take a karai and hot some oil. Then I will give all the brinjals one by one and fried it into medium flame. After frying it for 3 to 4 minutes, you can see our brinjals color get changed, because when it will become fry it will be get changed. Now after frying it very nicely, I will put it down on a plate and fry the rest of the brinjals. Now I will make the gravy. For this I take a karai and give some oil and ghee into it and hot it very nicely. After that I give one bay leaves and one dry chili into it and fried it. Then I will give some black cumin, some fenugreek and fried it little more. After frying it little more, now I will give here chopped tomato into it. After that I give here 3 pieces of green chili into it. Then I will give some salt, some turmeric powder. After that I will give here ginger and white cumin paste and some Kashmiri mirchi powder into it. Then I will fry it little more for 1 to 2 minutes and boil the tomato very nicely. After boil the tomato very nicely, I give some water here because it is a less juicy sabji, so I give here little amount of water and boiled it for little more. After boiling it, now I will give here sabji masala and garam masala into it. After mixing the masala with the sabji very nicely, now I will boil it for 1 minute more. After 1 minute more, I give here fried brinjals into it and boiled it for 1 minute more into low flame. After boil it for 1 minute more, you can see our brinjals look beautiful and sabji is ready to serve. So friends, I made our brinjals recipe without onion and garlic. If you like this video, please try this recipe at your home and comments me how tasty it is. Also, please share this video to your family and your friends and subscribe my channel. So bye for today and see you in next video.